Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for January 13 to 19, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Okay, Libra, what is up this week for you? Libra, this week. Okay. Milk and honey. Wow, ang ganda nito. This is about, enjoying the fruits of your labor. Oh, maaring may harvest time sa inyo or meron kayong mga sineselebrate ngayon na achievement nyo sa buhay. And merong rainbow dito. So, I think ang isa rin sa sineselebrate ninyo ay ang pagtatapos ng isang pagsubok sa buhay ninyo. Yes. Oh, wow. Serendipity. I feel like ngayong week na to, meron kang mga makikilala or may experience na mga bagay na makikilala ng tao, may experience ng mga bagay na will lead you to your life's purpose, will lead you to your destiny. Wow. Truth be told. This is also a revelation sa iyong life's purpose. Maaring na-realize mo na, ito pala yun. Ito pala ang aking destiny. Ito pala, dito pala ako magaling, dito pala ako interesado, ito pala yung passion ko, ganon. It's like discovering yourself, discovering your purpose. Mararamdaman mo naman yun if you are living according to your destiny, to your purpose. Kasi merong fulfillment eh. And somehow, yung purpose na yon is parang kumbaga sa sa sasakyan, parang gasolina siya ng sasakyan mo. Yung passion mo na yon. You have the Two of Swords, the Hierophant. Yung iba sa inyo, if you are in a relationship right now, tapos nagpaplano kayong magpakasal ng person mo, no, kung di pa kayo kasal, pwedeng ang isa sa inyo ay hindi sigurado. It's either ikaw, hindi ka sigurado sa kanya, or yung person mo. Naisip niya, tama ba to? Tama ba tong decision ko? Tama ba tong ginagawa ko? The Hierophant is also about learning. So, I think you are learning more. Meron kang mga bagong exploration about your career. May someone is mentoring you. May coach ka, may teacher ka, may trainer ka. May nagtitrain sa'yo. You have the Six of Wands, which is about success. Oo. Yung iba sa inyo, if you are into public speaking, or nasa sales, ganyan, or selling online, or meron kayong platform na kung saan kayo ay nare-recognize ng ibang tao, people are watching you, kayo ay lalong magiging popular. Oo. There's popularity, there's appreciation sa inyong mga ginagawa. You also have the High Priestess, which is wisdom. Yung iba sa inyo, you are spiritually gifted. Meron kayong mga spiritual gifts na yung iba, yun na talaga yung ginagawa ninyo. I mean, yan na yung career path ninyo, yan na yung purpose ninyo, life's purpose ninyo. And you are really doing well. You have the Four of Swords, which is about healing. I think yung iba sa inyo, spiritual healer. Or yung iba naman, kahit na hindi yan yung inyong source of income or career path, meron kayong ganitong energy na kung saan parang you are sending healing energies to others. Mapapansin mo yan kapag ang ibang tao, pagkasama mo or kausap ka, feeling relax sila. Or yung iba pa nga nakakatulog pag kasama ka. Because of the healing energy na meron ka. Mm-mm. So, yung aura mo is like very calming. Mm-mm. Yung iba naman, meron kayong um, bakasyon. Mm-mm. Magbabakasyon kayo. Pero ano lang to, yung parang tumakas ka lang. Ganon. Oo, tumakas ka lang para magbakasyon. Short vacation, ganyan. Just to have a break. You have Tower. Problems that abound, you must overcome. So, meron kang lakas para ma-overcome mo yung challenges mo. I think, yung paraan mo para ma-overcome yung challenges is about learning. Any challenge, kahit maliliit na challenge. Halimbawa, gusto mong ayusin yung o kaya mag-install ng doorknob. For some reasons, hindi ka makapag-hire ng mag-i-install ng doorknob. So, pero wala kang alam pag mag-install ng doorknob. So, ang gagawin mo, magre-research ka, magdi-DIY ka, do it yourself. You have mice and clouds. Beware of clouds, misty and obscure. Oh, nako. Maging maingat sa mga pagkakatiwalaan mo. Oo, lalo na mga secrets mo, ha. Kasi pwedeng meron dito na gamitin yan laban sa'yo in the future. Okay? Meron kasi ritong someone na hindi siya mapagkakatiwalaan. Oo. Parang nag-iipon siya ng mga bagay na parang alas niya sa'yo. Oo. Free spirit. Give yourself the space and freedom to express your creativity. Yeah, like what I mentioned kanina, some of you are spiritual healers, spiritual practitioner. Kaya kayo ay free-spirited. You're giving yourself space and freedom. You also have ladybug, so may luck, good luck. All of your manifesting positive thoughts and visualizations have been heard. Wow, Libra. Kaya siguro meron kayong sineselebrate dito kasi yung mga ibang na minamanifest ninyo, nangyayari na. Yes, you are experiencing it na. Kaya nga ngayon, medyo mag-ingat ka sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. Meron dyan kasi, lalapit lang sa'yo, kakaibiganin ka kasi gusto niyang malaman yung sikreto. Yung sikreto sa yung pag-unlad. Okay? So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.